Hello everyone, welcome back to Techavro. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create cool neon glow effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. At first, open your project and add your text or logo onto timeline. Now with your text layer selected, head over to Effect panel and search for glow. Drag and drop the glow effect onto your text layer. Then go to Effect Controls panel. Increase the glow radius to make its speed wider and adjust the glow intensity to make it brighter. You can also change the glow colors. Try bright blue, pink or green for the true neon vibe. This adds a soft outer glow. Now play your clip and you will see awesome neon shine that looks like glowing signs. And that's how you have created a stunning neon glow effect in Premiere Pro. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.